The latest main battle tank, MBT from Iran, is now operational. The tank, called Karrar, will be an addition to the Zulfiqar MBT, which has been in use since 1996 and is built locally. At the Bani-Hashem Weapons Industrial Complex in the Dorud-Lorestan region, the Karrar production line was officially opened by Iranian Defense Minister Brig, General Hossein Dehghan. How many were made in this initial batch was not stated, though. The chassis of a Soviet, now Russian, T-72 tank with an upgraded turret serves as the basis for the construction of the Karrar. Given that the Iranian military is known to operate about 480 T-72S tanks, this information makes sense. The Karrar's final design, though, resembles the Russian T-90MS tank more. An electro-optical fire control system, a laser rangefinder, a ballistic computer, an NBC, nuclear, biological and chemical, protection system, and night vision gear for all 3 crew members are among Karrar's standard equipment. A new battlefield management system that integrates digital battle maps, situational awareness, communication systems, and sensors enhances combat effectiveness and is available to all crew members through digital control panels. A 125-meter smoothbore cannon with a fume extractor and thermal sleeve serves as the Karrar's primary weaponry. It is capable of firing a variety of standard weapons, including anti-tank missiles, HEAT, high-explosive anti-tank, HEF, high-explosive fragmentation, and APFSDS, armor-piercing, fin-stabilized discarding sabot. When employing APFSDS ammunition, the effective firing range is between 2,000 to 3,000 meters. Its anti-tank rockets, meanwhile, have a 4,000 to 5,000-meter range and can crush adversaries. The automatic munition feeding mechanism can fire up to 8 rounds per minute at its highest pace, or 1-2 shots per minute if the ammunition is fed manually. 22 munitions are kept in reserve in the autoloader housing, ready for action, while about 40 rounds, including anti-tank missiles, are kept in the turret's inner compartment. The driver, gunner, and commander are the only members of the Karrar's crew that are needed because of its autoloading system. The RWS, remotely operated weapon station, equipped with a 7.62mm caliber machine gun, is the Karrar's secondary armament for soft targets, such as attacking enemy infantry troops. It is situated on the right rear of the turret, directly below the commander's hatch. The front of the hull and turret of the Karrar are equipped with an explosive reactive armor (ERA) package that can lessen the effects of kinetic energy. A steel cage is also installed at the back of the turret and hull to provide additional defense against rocket-propelled grenade (RPG) strikes. Even though Karrar was a homegrown design, several of its primary parts, like the sight system provided by the Slovenian business Fotona, had to be imported. The diesel engine, which is thought to have been supplied by Russia, is thus thought to have between 1,000 and 1,200 horsepower, which is enough to propel this 51-ton tank up to 70 km/h on smooth, hard roads. With the addition of 2 additional 200-liter fuel tanks installed on the stern of the tank, the Karrar's cruise range can be increased to around 550 kilometers.